Welcome. In this short lesson, we'll write a tiny C# utility that tells you whether a string's length is odd or even. It is a great beginner-friendly example for conditionals and basic validation. We'll implement a safe helper that handles null invalid input cleanly and shows both a throwing and a try pattern variant, so you can pick what fits your code style. We need a tiny function. Given a string, return a user-friendly label depending on whether this length is odd or even. We also add simple validation so corners see clear behavior for null or unexpected inputs. The get odd even string helper uses length modulo 2 to decide parity and throws on null to make failures explicit. The try get odd even string variant follows .NET patterns for safe non-throwing checks. Useful when input may be user provided or optional. Validation first, then a string arithmetic operation. Because we do only length modulo 2, the function runs in big O one time and uses a constant space. Ideal for unit tests. Here are some concrete examples. Use the throwing variant if you want immediate failures during development. Use the try version in production flows where invalid input is expected. The tiny utility is useful beyond exercises. For conditional formatting, such as alternate styles, teaching modulo arithmetic, or quick data checks in pre-processing steps. We've implemented a robust testable helper for checking string length parity. It's simple and great for beginner lessons or small utilities. Thanks and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.